What if I told you that some of the world's richest people are quietly selling billions of dollars worth of stocks while the average investor is still buying? And here's something strange is happening right now. Billionaires are quietly selling billions worth of stocks. But the question is, what do they know that we do not know? Whenever the ultra-rich make moves like this, investors pay attention because history shows they are often early, not lucky. It is a pattern worth noting for everyone. At first, many people thought they were just taking profits. But then more billionaires started selling, and the pattern became impossible to ignore for the average investor. One reason is simple. Stock prices are near record highs. When art money often locks in gains before everyone else, which leads to market shifts. But if this is only about profits, then why are some billionaires moving huge amounts of cash elsewhere? That's where things get interesting, and we will keep watching. Some experts believe wealthy investors are preparing for economic uncertainty, including high interest rates, slowing growth, and rising global returns. Here's the surprising part. Selling stocks doesn't always mean they're bearish. Many are simply shifting money into new opportunities, looking for better growth. AI companies, private businesses, real estate. The real question isn't why they're selling, it's where the money is going. We need to look deeper into the shifting trends of these major global markets. And that might be the clue ordinary investors are missing right now. It is a critical piece of information that could potentially shift market perspectives significantly today. So before you copy what billionaires are selling, ask yourself this: what are they buying instead? It is a question that reveals their true financial strategy.